Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I want to show you guys the app that I created. That the purpose is, the goal is to make your life easier when you plan your adventure. For you who love to go hiking or camping, this tools is really mandatory for you. So this will hopefully could taken out your headache to planning your plan. So here it is. So later I will put the link on the description below. Then you just click start planning, and then you choose which activity you want to do in the future, like camping or hiking. For me, I love camping. So and then you can choose the tune. For me, because I always bring my family, I will use glamping, which is the camping that kids friendly, I might say. And then the origin, let's say you are from Los Angeles. And then let's say the destination you want to go to Alpine, Switzerland. Switzerland. You just type in any location you want. Doesn't matter the typo or so. So I'm not sure this is how to type the Switzerland, but it is fine because this is the AI powered app. And then the dates, you put your plan. For me, I will go on the summer, let's say from 17th of May to 23rd of May. And then you just click next step. Wait for a while because AI cooking something here based on your input. And then later, after the AI finish, she would ask you this only 5 questions. Only five. You just read it carefully. Do you prefer luxury glamping accommodation over traditional mountain tents? I would prefer. I say yes. Are you interested in undertaking strenuous high altitude hikes? No, because I bring my children. Would you prefer to rent all your camping gear in Switzerland rather than bringing it from Los Angeles? Yes. Are you looking for campsites that provide modern amenities like hot showers and Wi-Fi? Of course, since I have to open my laptop. Is visiting popular tourist destination in the Alps a priority over a scheduled wilderness area? No, I just want to do. I just want to enjoy the nature. This is my preference. For you, the questions would be different. And then this is the really important input for the AI. And then click the final step. You choose the group size. For me, I have 5 people, and then my budget, let's say the medium. And then you just type in any preferences you want to add on these notes. For example, I want to add like I bring my 3 children, 3 child. Okay, and then click generate plane. Wait for a while. It's a little bit longer than previously. This is the last step before the campwise, or this app suggests you the itinerary and then the budget and so on. That's it. This is the Alpine Switzerland adventure ready from Los Angeles to Switzerland. 5 people, the budget about 12K to 16K. Wow, it's so okay, it's so expensive for me. So this is the itinerary, and then you can see this is so detailed from day one, day two, and then day three, and so on. Unfortunately, if you want to read all day three and then after until the end of your holiday, you have to unlock the app. Also the gear. The gear, since I am prepare for the gear or the destination, the AI only suggests about $300 maybe for the courier bag or something like cooking. I don't know. I'm not sure. And then also the budget. The budget actually the detailing from this one. So it's so detailed. Uh, this much better than you just googling by yourself or asking AI, regular AI for this. I think it's already full packs, all in packs. You just input something on it, and then later this itinerary will be given to you. And then if you want to the full version, you just purchase it, and only the price only $3. That's so cheap, I think, rather than you have your headache to plan your plan. Okay, or if you want to change your destination, or you want to do it in other time, you could purchase this lifetime license. Only $30 for lifetime, and then you could pay using PayPal, and that's it. This is the app how to planning easily your hiking or camping or your adventure. Okay, guys. Later I will put on the down description below. Please click on it, and then see you on the next video. Bye bye.